Iran's parliament has approved a measure to close the Strait of Hormuz, a vital oil shipping lane, in response to US airstrikes on its nuclear facilities. While the proposal reflects Tehran's growing defiance, any final decision rests with the Supreme National Security Council, which reports to Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. The Strait of Hormuz is a narrow waterway separating Iran from Oman and the United Arab Emirates, but its geopolitical significance far outweighs its size. Connecting the Persian Gulf to the Arabian Sea and open ocean, it serves as the main maritime route for oil and gas exports from Gulf countries. Often called the world's most critical energy choke point, the strait handles roughly 20% of global oil consumption and a quarter of the world's liquefied natural gas trade. Major producers like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Qatar, and the UAE rely heavily on the passage to export crude and fuels. Data from analytics firm Vortexa confirms that between 18 and 21 million barrels have transited the strait daily between 2022 and May 2025. The stakes are high. Any disruption in the Strait of Hormuz could send oil prices soaring, destabilise global energy markets, and risk igniting direct conflict. That risk briefly flared this week. Following the US strikes, Brent crude surged over 3%, peaking at $81.40 a barrel, the highest since January. West Texas Intermediate also jumped, topping $78.40 before settling slightly lower. Market analysts say further price hikes are likely, driven by fears of Iranian retaliation, especially involving the strait. As the conflict deepens, attention has turned toward whether Iran will follow through on its threats. Historically, Tehran has threatened to shut the waterway during periods of tension, but has stopped short of doing so. However, this time, Iran's Press TV reports that parliament has reached a consensus. Still, the move awaits formal approval from the top Security Council and Supreme Leader Khamenei, leaving the threat real, but not yet realized. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio has warned Iran against closing the strait, calling it a suicidal move that could rally international opposition against Tehran.